how to use a spade bit in a DeWALT Impact Driver. Now, many spade bits do come with this hex with the cutout, and if it does, you just pop it in the end like this, pull the collar back, put it in the end, and it's securely in place, and you'll be able to use it with the spade bit. However, if yours doesn't come with the hex cut out like that, you're going to either need a drill bit holder, so you pop that in the end, and then you'll be able to add your bit like that. Or alternatively, if you don't fancy the drill bit holder, you can get a chuck adapter which you put in the end. I will leave a link to these tools down below, and then you'll just use it like you originally would with any drill. Tighten it up, and there you go. So that's a couple of different options how to use a spade bit in your DeWALT Impact Driver. Hopefully these solutions help you out. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.